Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft roleplay. It's not Minecraft roleplay, but we're making Undertale. This is coming out soon. We're gonna record it. Yeah, the stairs. This is Calvin. We jump in. Okay, yeah. We have some mods in here.
Turn around.
What?
Waving.
Oh, hi. Okay. Okay, this is...
Waving.
Hi, I'm Flowey. Fly the flower. Now die! In here, kill be killed. Wait, and that's the pellets. The bullets. Get rid of Flowey. And now we follow this. This is the practice dummy. It's right now. We can beat it up. I'm using the trombone. Wah, 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 wah. But got it.
Give me a sword.
Code. Use the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is that here?
And now you gotta find the right key. You find it. It's a stone symbol. You gotta mine it over there. And then look. You press this lever. You gotta find the lever. And then come on, Calvin. Calvin.
Pick it up.
We're right now making progress because the video's not gonna be so long because we're making progress right now. Yeah, add the save points to bed. And then we go to the ruins.
We made a little hole to get here. I have to make a little so the little hole.
Not yet.
I made
Sorry,
a little.
Oh, we're still adding Torio. We have Torio's fires and large fires. Yes. And then we're going in here. This is Snowden. This is where we sand. Oh god, you scared me. This is like your sand. You came out of nowhere. And the hot dog is lamp. Lamp. Oh, I'm gonna name it lamp. I should name it lamp. Lamp. The hot dog is a lot of gold. We're still making progress. We're right now doing a shop.
Wait. I'm gonna cook my shop.
Oh wait, look, they have more stuff now. They have more stuff.
Wait, come over here. Come over here.
Yeah.
Wait. My God. Okay.
This is Calvin's shop. Right now it's working in progress. By the way, don't chop the wood, okay? This is the shop. We have villagers, and yeah, that's it. Right now, we're still making Snowden. It's still a work in progress. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.